Let's talk about ESTPs in communication. ESTPs are flexible, tolerant, laid back, fun, spontaneous. They take a pragmatic approach to life, focused on immediate results. They are energetic problem solvers and they love to jump in and just figure it out. They are action-oriented versus discussion-oriented, and they live by the motto that it's easier to ask for forgiveness than to ask permission. In communication, ESTPs tend to persuade, negotiate, and maneuver around barriers. They are looking for the most efficient solution, and they don't care if they have to bend a few rules or cut a few corners to get there. In their day-to-day conversations, they focus on pragmatic issues. In interactions, they see them kind of as games or competitions, and they enjoy debating more than they do relationship building. They tend to give more corrective feedback than positive feedback, and their feedback can be quite blunt if there is a perceived lack of common sense there. They don't overly emphasize, and they don't always attend to people's feelings as well. Here's some communication tips in dealing with ESTPs. Engage ESTPs in negotiation and debate when it comes to problem solving. And be careful not to take any of their challenges or questions personally. Help some of your colleagues and coworkers understand that this is ESTP's style. Remember that extroversion part of an ESTP needs to think out loud. They need to hear their words in order for them to become real to them. So don't become intimidated or challenged by some of their questions. Provide them with immediate problems to solve. Emergent problems are ESTP's specialty. They don't mind being interrupted during their day to have to go to attend to something that needs to be taken care of right now. And then work on your end to remove any roadblocks to solutions that they're trying to come up with. Engage ESTPs in a fun, competitive environment. ESTPs are at their best when doing that. When having a conversation with an ESTP, you may want to go for a walk or take them to lunch or do an activity as you guys dialogue. And when you have a meeting with an ESTP, please keep it short and to the point and pragmatic. ESTPs will thank you for that. So those are some communication tips for ESTPs.